there is the Canada. The marshmallow with a chocolate. Hi, I'm Jadenipat. You can call me Jade. Good morning, everyone. Today is the day 2 of up north. I'm ready to eat breakfast. It's a buffet for this morning. I'm almost to the Canada. I mean, it's like 10 miles away from the Canada right now. I'm so excited. I'm gonna see Canada for the first time of my life. Canada bridge here, and there is the Canada in front of me right now, but I cannot go. I don't have a visa for Canada. Highlight sticker, T-chain, so I picked this one, 2.99. This time we're gonna see the waterfall. It's called the lower falls. It's just the first waterfall for today. We're gonna go to upper falls. This is our second place. We will go to the upper falls to see the big waterfall again. Trend. You know what, I feel really cool and I'm so excited. Saw this waterfall. Oh, this good one. The time now is almost the night, so we're here at a mystery spot. I don't know what is it. It's like a mystery stuff here. It looks mystery and have some stuff that I don't know, and I don't know what is going on. It's gonna be fun and excited.
Ready and pose.
Pose.
Well, look at me. Look at me and pose.
Here we go.
There you go.
Okay.
You got it. Come on. Oh my gosh, you're so close.
What are you doing?
There you go. Good job.
Huh?
Which way was easier?
Walking up it.
Walking up it.
Lobster is a shrimp. It's a big shrimp. Try this one. Yeah, here we go. It's good one. Yeah. It's so dark out here, but our plan is like we're gonna do a marshmallow. Whee! Marshmallow. We're gonna make a s'more. I'm gonna help you. Dude, don't touch this one. It's hard. This is your s'more. Yeah, this is the s'more. This is what I get. The marshmallow with the chocolate. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and ring the bell right here. See you again next video. See ya. Bye.